Hi guys, welcome to our channel Technical Diversity. Today I am going to discuss about the filter in Adobe Photoshop. How can use it? Let's start the videos. Welcome back, dear viewers. First of all, you have unlock the layer. Click here, double click here. Okay. Then you have press F. You can see this picture is not okay. And here I have press Ctrl M and click here. I am going to more light on the picture. Ctrl Shift L. You can see. Okay. If you have used some short keys, then you have press QWB and press color on the eyes. Okay, and press W. Okay, then you have going to click on filter and then click here. Okay, click here. Okay, you can see. Okay, actually this is a filter. Okay, and then warm, and then okay, this is warm bar softness. Okay, if you have increased softness, you can see. Okay, softness. Okay, then I have increased softness. You can see the difference between softness and zero softness. Okay, you can maximum softness, sharpness. Actually sharpness is smooth your picture. You can see. Okay, like this. I have going to 40, or maximum position of softness. Okay, you can see it, and click here. Okay, actually you have wait here. Actually filter is a very large file. Make a large file. Then you have press Ctrl D and you can see. Okay, I think is good picture with filter. Press Ctrl Z, sorry, Ctrl D, Ctrl Alt Z. Okay, and Ctrl Z. You can see the difference. Okay, okay, so you have see the difference between filter and non-filter, and you can go again filter and click. Actually I have click here first time, so I have click on, and then you have look like a snap. Okay, okay, look, and the other filter is, if you have checked here, it's good flashback. Okay, like this dynamic diffuse filter. Okay, so like this. Okay, so first of all I have used snap. Okay, snap tool, enter. Okay, you look like a good picture with the use of these filters. Yes, you see it. It is make a different picture. If you have used Alt IAS, actually this key is used for contrast in Adobe Photoshop. Okay, click here. Okay, I hope you will like my video. So we will meet next time and next video. So Allah Hafiz, goodbye.